Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I restore my matted wig. I'm gonna dampen the wig thoroughly with water. You need a pot of boiling water. Conditioner, I'm using Finesse Moisturizing Conditioner. Just gonna pour a little bit in the boiling water. You can use any conditioner of your choice. I'm also gonna put a bit of leave-in conditioner. I think this one is the African Pride. Yes, it's the African Pride leave-in conditioner. I'm also gonna pour a little in the boiling water. Then I'm just gonna mix it around so it can be evenly distributed, or it can be dissolved. Yeah, so it's completely dissolved now. Now I'm going to place the wig in the boiling water and make sure that it's all saturated. The water is boiling hot, so you guys gotta be really careful right here. Now you're gonna cover the pot for 20 minutes so that the wig can be steamed. After 20 minutes, you're gonna remove the cover from the pot and pour off the hot water and rinse with cold water and detangle. I'm just gonna use a denim brush to detangle the wig. Now I'm gonna pat dry with a towel. It doesn't have to be completely dry. As long as it's not dripping with water, then that should be fine. After all that, I'm gonna place the wig on the mannequin so that I can brush it out and style how I want it to be. I let the wig air dry and this is how it came out. It's no longer matted and it lays flat. I love how this wig looks. I do have to color it again since the dye ran out, but apart from that, perfect. Well, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.